The Department of Mines promotes the optimal exploration of Namibia's mineral resources and integrates the mining industry with other sectors of the economy for the socio-economic development of the country. The department through the ministry offers 6 types of mineral rights, which are non-exclusive prospecting license, which is valid for a period of 1 year with an annual fee of 15 Namibian dollars. Applicants need to be above the age of 18. A holder of this license does not have any exclusive rights for any specific mineral group or area. The mining claims are reserved only for Namibian citizens for the development of small-scale mining, valid for 3 years and can be renewed every 2 years provided that the claim is being developed or worked on. A person or a company is allowed to hold a maximum of 10 claims at a time. The application and annual fee of 50 Namibian dollars. Another license offered by the department is Reconnaissance License, which is designed for regional investigation, such as airborne geophysical surveys and analysis of satellite images. The license is valid for 6 months, after which the holder can be in a position to apply for an EPL in the same area. The application fee depends on the size of the area, which is charged at 500 Namibian dollars per quarter of a degree square. An exclusive prospecting license, EPL, is meant for detailed exploration such as geological mapping, ground geophysics, geochemical sampling, trenching, drilling, bulk sampling, trial mining, etc. in order to define a resource. It is valid for 3 years and renewable for a consecutive 2 years and should not exceed 7 years. The application and license fees range from 2,000 Namibian dollars for an area less than 20 hectares to 10,000 Namibian dollars for an area of 90,001 to 100,000 hectares, depending on the area to be explored. The department also issues Mineral Deposit Retention License, which allows a license holder to retain tenure on a prospecting license without strict work program obligations. The license can be granted under the following circumstances: an unprofitable commodity prices, lack of infrastructure, or poor extraction technologies. The holder must, however, meet the work and expenditure obligations and submit regular project reviews. The license is valid for 5 years and renewable for periods not exceeding 2 years with an annual fee of 5,000 Namibian dollars. The mining license gives the holder exclusive rights to mine, which means the holder is required to demonstrate the financial and technical ability to develop and operate a mine. The annual fee depends on the projected annual turnover. Where the turnover is projected to be below 10 million Namibian dollars, the fee is 1,000 Namibian dollars, while where the turnover is projected to be above 10 million Namibian dollars, the fee is 5,000 Namibian dollars. This license may be granted for a period of 25 years and renewable for a period not exceeding 15 years. Applications for registration of mining claims should be directed to the Mining Commissioner in the prescribed form. Such claim must be made within 21 days from the date on which the claim is pegged and shall be accompanied by the application fee. Once a mining claim is submitted and received, it will go through the following process. Firstly, the application is registered and managed using the Landfolio system. Secondly, the completed environmental questionnaire for mining claims and the pro forma environmental contract forms must be handed to an MME official on the day of application. Once the stage is complete, the mining claim is registered, but only on condition that the environmental clearance certificate from the Ministry of Environment and Tourism is received. Note that an application for the renewal of registration of a mining claim must be made 90 days before the expiry date. Applications for mineral licenses should be made to the Minister in a prescribed form and shall be accompanied by the application fees as per the license categories. These include a reconnaissance license, exclusive prospecting license, a mining license, or a mineral deposit retention license. All applications for mineral licenses are received by the Mining Commissioner, who delegates technical staff members to conduct preliminary evaluation on each application and forward their recommendations to the Mineral License Application Committee, MLAC. The committee meets once every 2 months to look at the applications. Once this stage is done, they forward their recommendations to the minister, who makes the final decision on each application. Once an application is received, it takes about a day for the non-exclusive prospecting license to be processed and for an applicant to get feedback on their application, and 7 working days after the environmental clearance is received for mining claims. Other licenses such as reconnaissance license, exclusive prospecting license, and mineral deposit retention license takes an average of 3 to 4 months, while the mining license takes about 6 to 12 months for the applicants to get notification on their application. Once this period is complete, the license will be granted to the applicant given that they have met all the terms and conditions. Once a license is granted, the license holder can carry on with reconnaissance operations, prospecting operations, and mining operations, including the construction of any accessory works. Where applicable, they must comply with the Environmental Clearance Certificate or Environmental Management Plan, conserve and prevent the waste of any natural resources, pay license fees and royalties, and finally, submit reports, returns, and other information as prescribed by the law to the Office of the Mining Commissioner. The department is also responsible for issuing permits apart from mineral rights, which are the transportation permit, which is required for the purpose of transporting minerals within Namibia. The export permit, which is issued when a buyer needs to export minerals from Namibia for the purpose of sale or scientific examination. And a high-value mineral permit, which is issued when a company wishes to trade in high-value minerals such as gold, silver, platinum, etc. Once an application for a permit is lodged, technical staff members in the Department of Mines will evaluate it to see if the value of the mineral and the allowable deductions stated are realistic, after which the Mining Commissioner will issue the permit. Thereafter, the applicant is expected to pay royalties immediately or within 6 months, as the case may be. All application forms can be found on the Ministry's website at www.mme.gov.na.